Hello everybody, welcome to the Flow Connect channel. My name is Ben Bad. For all the YouTubers out there, all of you might know Think Media and Sean Cannell. These guys announced 5-day challenge to grow your YouTube channels for all the YouTubers out there. So why am I announcing this? Because this is just a personal challenge for me. Why should I announcing this? Because I suspect Sean Cannell and the Think Media team might have homework for me or some other challenges that involve put some content or editing something about my channel. So I decided to announce this. There might be some changes in my channel, but I think and I know this is going to help this channel and for you too, actually, because my goal is to bring much better content for you guys. As you all know, my goal is to bring more ideas about new industries and the new startups and bring all of them together so the Flow Connect can be a best database. I can say that, the best database for you, so you can go around and learn about these new startups and in these new industries. So you might want to invest in them or you want to work with them, so you can get to know them and get to know their owners. And this is my goal. That's why I created the section Answer a Question series or the pro tip. You might think this series might not go together or they might not related, but these are actually related, and they can go and help you guys into all of those ideas. So for all the new business owners or the startup founders, if you want to get known, check out the Flow Connect YouTube channel and see if this is fit for you to get known. And if it does, just hit me into the comment section, and or just go to my Instagram account, the flowconnect.info Instagram, or the Flow Connect LinkedIn. All the links are going to be provided in the description, and that is it. So thank you guys, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Take care of each other. Love you all.